Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I love having outside furniture that I can leave out no matter what the season is and not worry that it's going to get damaged. That's not the only box that these Adirondack chairs I got from Ivy&Lane tick. They're also so beautiful. They have cup holders and they fold up. So these come partially assembled. My husband and I were able to put them both together in about 45 minutes. It comes with all the tools that you'll need to do so, and the pieces are clearly marked. These are made out of HDPE plastic, and that's how they're able to withstand any kind of rain or sleet or snow or sun that you throw at them. We have a ton of birds that are constantly flying over our chairs and using them as target practice, and these are very easy to clean. I've got the dark blue color and these don't fade, which is also awesome because I want them to stay just as blue and beautiful as the day that I got them. So whether you're looking to have these around the fire pit or just out in the yard to enjoy things outside, you can't go wrong with any of the chairs from Ivy and Lane, and that's my point of view.